This is an opportunity that we can't pass up.
Mai, no mai kake mai ki tēnei whakapāhotanga, e ki ana ko te whakataetai. CNI, Central North Island, te puku o ti ka kura tuarua, nei rā te mihi. Ko rangi nui e tūeho nei, ko papa tuanuku e takoto nei. Ka mihi kauana ki ngā mana whenua o te rohe nei, te maunga o Taranaki, me te rohe o Manawatu. O ti rā ke rātou kua hinga atu. Rātou kia rātou tātou e pai nei tēnā tātou. Welcome once again e Whanganui to the Central North Island First 15 rugby clash between Feilding High School and Francis Douglas Memorial College. It's a pleasure to give you coverage alongside my best mate, Dale husband, nei rā te mihi kia koe, Chief.
Tēnā koe he moiho mihi ana kia koe. Me te whānau, great to celebrate the best of our rangatahitanga. And interestingly, this match today is coming to us from Dellison Park, which is in Waverley, somewhat halfway between where these two proud kura are from. Welcome to the Central North Island First 15 clash. We begin by acknowledging all who are watching in today, and of course our whānau from Taranaki and the wider Manawatu region. And great to share some time with you today. 70 minutes of action coming your way, and two proud kura from Francis Douglas, of course the 2013 CNI champions and proud representatives of Taranaki, and they host the defending champions Feilding High School. Here's their lineup today.
Tuatahi ake ko ngā paumua e hoa mā ko Brosnan, Greenham, Whakawa, Hawker, Brown, Whakawa, Galloway, Copsey, Anapu, Burke, Tyrell. Ki ngā paumuri me ki ko Tyrell, ko Wallace McLeod, ko ia te kai kapene, te kai uringi o te waka, tūhaka raya Wallace McLeod tērā. Topatahi ana, and our wings are Nagel and Kuru Yabaki. In the centres we have Viliamu Raka, and at the back we've got Andre Dixon.
Lucas Goodman is on the bench today, and it's very important how these reserve benches are utilised by the team coaches, followed up with Ngata Gibson, Tunnicliffe Beezer, and Victor Malaiselia. The team coaches are Justin Locke and Nathan Williams.
Ka kōrero tahi tātou I nāia nei ki te kaiako o te kapa o Feilding. We'll listen to Justin Locke.
I'm here with head coach Justin Locke from Feilding High School. 3 games in a week is a big challenge at any level. How have you managed the balance between recovery, preparation, performance heading into tonight?
Yeah, every team's only as good as its depth and their bench sort of thing. So we've had a lot of rotation between the first game on Saturday and today. Also injury is a big part of it, and also a school trip. So we've lost a couple there too. So it's a good challenge for us, and giving our whole squad good minutes. We feel it'll put us in a good space, you know, as the competition goes on. So it's been a really good challenge. And yeah, the trainings obviously had to lighten up, you know, with a training yesterday and a game today, and then we've got a training tomorrow, another game Saturday. So it's a good challenge, and the boys are good chance for the boys to freshen up too, you know.
The table is incredibly tight at this stage of the season. How do you see this as an opportunity for your side to make a real statement?
Oh, we just want to be a team that's improving every week. So we've got some of the teams in the top 4 in the back end of the competition. So for us, it's just taking each game as it comes and hoping we can get better and improve on some of the things that we think we need to improve on game to game. It's not about making a statement. Every game's an opportunity, but for us, it's just improving as the season goes on.
Thank you for your time and all the best for today.
Thank you. Cheers.
Yeah, that's Justin Locke with some salient reminders too about how you've got to manage the teams as they come through. Right, let's have a look at their opponents today. The Francis Douglas Memorial College, Irks, Willis, Ullenberg, Crawford, Walls, Burendijk, Whiting and Isaiah make up the engine room for FDMC.
To the backs, Hawhi Peke, ko Lincoln Taylor, Topatahi, ko Jack Lawn, ko ngā Parirau, ko Matthew Goonan, ko Flynn Scott. In the centres we have PJ Whangali, Carter Hurley, and at the back we've got Tim Corrigan.
The bench today's Eamon Smith, Foley Manutei, Heiveka, Watson and Willis. Their team coaches are Leo Crowley and Thomas Kalin. Let's hear from their coaching staff.
I'm here with Thomas Kalin, head coach of Francis Douglas Memorial College. You guys had an incredibly strong start last week. How important is it to do the same thing in this game?
Yeah, extremely important. Not only do we want to score points early, it's important that we weather the storm that we know that they'll throw at us.
And what's been the focus this week to ensure the team keeps improving and competing strongly?
We'll look to be pretty direct today. We'll look to get a bit of go forward ball and play off that. We know that they're a team that can score points pretty early and easily, so getting off the line is going to be important.
Thank you for your time and good luck.
Ko te reo tērā o te kaya ko matua, ko Brad Watson. Ana, kei te kake, ngā kapa e rua I te whira. Excited for some matchups from Ruteu, Isaiah and Tain. Anapu Burke, two outstanding young loose forwards capable of changing the game. Where
A couple of the first fives too come in with some pretty good credentials in Moiho. That's Jack Lawn and Tuhakalaya Wallace McLeod. They'll lead the haka as well. And so their territorial play, their kicking game, their decision making, it's going to be vital here this afternoon. They come up with some pretty decent form, both teams, and of course Feilding making the final against Rotorua last year, so in the national secondary schools. So they're a team with plenty of talent, as once again we acknowledge the respect afforded opponents in what is a classic competition, developing the character of those who will take the game forward in the years to come, and some fine matchups here on the track this afternoon. Waverley, of course, about 20 minutes south of Whanganui, and not so much of a trip as well, I guess, for the boys from New Plymouth, an FDMC established back in 1959 and named after Father Francis Vernon Douglas. It's a state-integrated boys' school, and they've had a rich history, and we'll be looking forward to them going well. The only CNI title for them, as I mentioned, came back in 2013. Feilding, on the other hand, well, that's been going since the early 20s, and their mottos, Ke tō, ke ngako nui, have courage and desire greatly. Let's go and take in the haka for today's clash.
Whakapiri mai, whakatata mai e hoa mā I nā rā, he ora te whakapiri. He mate te whakawehe. Nā reira, nau piki mai, nau kake mai, e hoa mā ki tēnei o ngā tukinga o te puku o te ika. Enei o ngā kapa Kei te noho, ka ki te tepu I tēnei wā e 5 katoa ngā kēmu, kua toru ngā wikitoria-tanga a Feilding, kua rua noi ho a Francis Douglas Memorial, ko Brad Watson, ko ia te referee, te kai wawao, te kai whakahaere o tēnei kēmu. Nō reira, Francis Douglas Memorial College winning 2 and dropping 2. They went down to Wesley College 56-10 in St. Peter's of Cambridge, who are certainly a juggernaut team in this competition. They got up against St. John's and Hamilton and Whanganui College over to Feilding. St. John's and Hastings, they got up with Whanganui College as well and went down to St. John's and Hamilton and Matamata College. Last week they were victors. All right, we've got a game on our hands, Dad. The FDMC are in the red.
And what is interesting, Moiho, is, you know, we've been used to having these midweek games at various kura where you've got all the bulk of the students out giving total. This is something of a neutral ground, but it should be an exciting match. Wonderful to have you with us here on Whakaata Māori. Rangatahitanga to the fore here with their efforts on the football field, and a pleasure to welcome you along. And first receipt of the football is Feilding High School. They're running from right to left. Francis Douglas in the red strip, familiar colours. And this settling in period, well, you'd think you've got to get underway very quickly in schoolboy rugby and expect to get some wide, expansive play as these teams get into the grind early on. Just minutes gone. Here's your first kick of the afternoon. And that's taken at the back by Tim Corrigan. He'll angle himself here, Corrigan. He's picked off centre field and trying to deliver up some clean balls, secured into the hands of Jack Walls, who pushes forward, and now into Liam Willis. So getting straight into their work as well. A few changes necessary here for the coaching staff, but FDMC with the ball. Now this is a good drive as they feed it on now. This is Troy Irks. Good meters being gained right up the middle of the park here at the moment. Referee as well sighted, delivered up. So maintaining phases early. FDMC into the hands of Walls again. Easy to pick out the lanky lock forward. He's got the ball in hand and hustling to get it back as Lincoln Taylor, who's got hold of that and then delivers up. Another driving run low to the ground. This time through the hands, it's Lawn, keeping it alive now out to Whanganui.
Keep an eye on Whanganui. He's the Taranaki under-16 captain in his 3rd year in the first 15.
Whanganui, one to watch. There's some pressure on immediately for Feilding High School. It's proud Catholic College up against an agricultural college, and Feilding stepping back into the traffic. Forwards, defensive work sound at the moment, and they will get the first penalty of the afternoon after some good defensive efforts. Muscling up, staying solid, and despite the efforts of Francis Douglas to push forward, Feilding come up with the ball, the left foot to the far side of the field, doesn't make it into touch. And so now they'll try and look for some action down the left corridor, and a sprightly run there put on by the wing through quarter. But it's now back into the hands of Feilding with the football. Boys from Manawatu. This is Dante Brown, who goes to ground with it. Delivered up soundly. And again, some ambitious play with the ball, but called back here, might have just gone forward. I'm looking forward to seeing the wheels here from El Ferretti Raka.
Tiro here te nui o na waiwai, piki whara tērā.
Noda.
Rātou katoa, Feilding titihi o ngā tino tīma o te whakataitai whutuporo I ngā tau tata nei. Hoki ngā mahara, titihi kēmu I Manawatu I te rātou, taku mōhio I puta ihu rātou. Ko rātou ngā toa whakaihu waka mo te motu whānui, Feilding High School tēnei.
There's Francis Douglas with the opportunity. They're in close range as well, and they peel it back. Now this is looking promising for them. Although the ball's been knocked on, but I must commend Matthew Goonan, who comes in very quickly, scooping onto the football.
Okay, reira te kauawao, a Brad Watson. Paku maka whakamua pia. Kāre ki te engari ko te topatahi a Jack Lawn, nāna te pauro I maka.
Thanks to Bailey's, all of our sponsors, helping to bring the Action on First 15 Rugby to your lounge rooms across the country. We're in the proud township of Waverley in South Taranaki, and it's a downfield kick. Taking it to back once again by Tim Corrigan. Had an insightful carry last time with the football. Taking it to back, Taylor. Again, pushing the ball out wide. Little knockdown, and then it's picked up here by Feilding. We come away with the football. We've just been singing the praises of Raka. What a powerful run as he delivers to his teammate now. Good position as Feilding mount their real first challenge.
Mai wā tuatahi kua kuhua Feilding ki tēnei takiwā o te whira. Ka arahina e ngā paunua te tīma ko whakawa Galloway tēnei. Kei reira a Tyrell e mahi hawhi peke ana. He oi anō ka hoki mai anō a Feilding ki te wāhi hāmene hia e FTMC. Te vita waka. Kāri ia i te tangata makarauna ana ko tū hakaraya Wallace McLeod. Nāna te kiki. Ko puta te pauro. Just outside the 22. Have another look at the run. Decent offload. Turn back on the inside on the man that you acknowledge, Alfretti Raka. Ali Ferretti, Alfred. This is Feilding once again with the two tira apiti2.
First line out. And it's been snaffled here by FDMC. And a drive forward, but it's been reefed from the hands of the runner by Wallace McLeod. And now Feilding have possession. Once again, it's a great opportunity for them through the hands. It's into the skipper. Out now once again to Raka. And they continue it out wide. And there's a slam down for victory. Yes, it's Jack Nagel, the left edge runner for Feilding High School. And a wonderful conclusion. I thought they made a little mistake by putting the ball down. Then they wrestled it back and able to get it across to the left wing. Great drive. And scoring underway for Feilding.
Ia hu mai te piro I te Hāmene Dale. Ana ka kite anō tātou I te pī ki pāhi a te topatahi. Ki tāna toru koata a Raka. Kātahi ko Jack Nagel with the Māori sidestep. Straight over the top.
As the saying goes. Yeah, Nagel on the left edge today for Feilding High School.
Ko te kai kiki e hoa mā ko Whamai Viliamu. Kei aia ngā kicking duties I te rānei. He ringa a he waiwai Māui tōna. O tatania. Kāri awa te kiki. 5 plays 4 tātou mā. Piro tuatahi. Kia Feilding High School.
Well, there's a number of decent players in the mids today. It's going to be an interesting battle here between a couple of these midfielders, particularly with Whamai Viliamu. Big collisions expected because they're both chunky guys. PJ Whangali as well, and also the captain of the Battle of the Skippers is going to be interesting as well, and how their leadership unfolds through both the first and second half today. But the set pieces is what's really important. There's another scrum set on the far side of the field, and both teams are real keen to perform here today. Is the scrum feed, and doing that role is Ilsua Tyrell.
Ana ka tau te poro I nai nei. Ki Whanganui I ngā paumua matua o te rangapū paumua. Pau kapo, pau tūwhera. Me te kai tīkape. Pau kapo, blindside prop. Pau tūwhera, open side prop. E te hikupu, ka whangaia e te ngutu. Reo arero Māori kia koutou e whakarongo mai nā.
Ai. Pai te whakarongo ki tō reo e moi hau, kia ora. Mihane te whana. Kia mai ki te roa Māori. Here's the ball has gone back for Feilding. Scrambling at the back as the pressure comes in from FDMC. Centre field. Just waiting to secure the football. Short side. Now this is the grind that we're talking about, the importance of it, as Brosnahan takes it forward just a couple of metres. Keen on defence. Francis Douglas, the kick not unexpected. Taken at the back by Matty Goonan. He angles it on the far side of the field. In fact, 14 is left today. Flynn Scott with the ball. The big number 8, Isaiah, cuts it forward another couple of metres. Francis Douglas, down by 1 try, stepping back into the action. Whanganui. Powerful carry from him as well. Clean ball. Delivered up nicely through Jack Walls over the top. Now it's Hurley around the outside. He's wrapped up in the tackle of Nagel though, but Hurley's delivering that clean ball as well. Here's a great chance for a response from Francis Douglas with the balls in number 9, Taylor. Darting run here. 5, Walls. Good contribution. Short side. Ambitious over the top pass, but full of class, and now close to the line, Francis Douglas.
Taha poto I nei te hawhi pēkea Taylor. Rima mita mai te rāringi, engari kua takahuri te pōro ki te hoariri. The Feilding High School. Whanako hia te pōro.
Well, some White Line Fever thought that they were almost there, but then the ball is turned over and understandably kicked to the far side of the field. Another throw into himself. Clever play too. This is Scott who has it. Or will in a moment. In fact, it was Hurley who went to ground. Some solid carts forward at the moment, and involving himself too's the fullback, Tim Corrigan.
Tim Corrigan, me Flynn Scott, he ingoa rongonui I tēnei reanga. Arā no he harmony I puta mai, not releasing.
Big chance here for Francis Douglas, who have made some good meterage. Really like the ambition that they're showing, the intent with ball in hand. Both these teams at the moment really wanting to use the ball, and quick ball obviously is dangerous ball. So plenty of support runners and trying to just maintain some continuity when they have ball in hand.
Yeah, I really enjoyed how you mentioned that the support runners are following through as their forwards make a break. Kei reira e te hi atu ki te tautoko.
12 minutes gone, 5-0. Good climb to secure the football from Oliver Crawford. And here they come. This is Francis Douglas Memorial College. This is what they need. Trying to wrestle that ball loose as Anapu Burke at the back in the number 8 jersey. And ultimately, they'll get the opportunity. In fact, the referee is giving that try to the big fella.
Nā waru anō tērā, taku mōhio deo ko Luteru Isaiah.
Great work. Great work from Francis Douglas Memorial College. We see the break on the far side of the field. This is a bit earlier in the match, but we'll follow through with the replay in a moment of that try. Luteru Isaiah, I see that he's had plenty of experience as well as a rep in the under-16s for Taranaki, and maybe even some background in the 13-man game as well, with a secondary schools role there, and knocking on the door of the Chiefs under-18s as well. But from close range, Luteru Isaiah, and now the conversion attempt for Francis Douglas as they look to take the lead. 5 apiece here after 13 minutes. Great to have you with us. This is the CNI Central North Island Championship, and you're watching it on Whakaata Māoris. The flags are raised. It's a 2-point ball game, 7-5 after the try to the hulking number 8.
Yeah, the proud red and yellow driving forward as FDMC te pau waru ara ko Luteru Isaiah. Ka whakahoki a te wero. Nā Feilding High School I whakatakoto. Feilding High School based out of the Manawatu Hood. One of the competition's most successful I roto I ngā tau.
The ball is up, secured. And we wanted to go back to back here as they swing the ball wide immediately to right from the get-go. Beautiful run from Whanganui. And then look at the wheels on show on the far side. Just as the tackle is made though, ball goes to ground. just loosens from the grasp of the flying Flynn Scott on the far side of the field. Feilding in possession. They want to settle things down, so they send the big man through. This is Whakava. He carries it just an extra couple of metres. Calling for it at the back is Tyrell. He'll work the short side. Little bust through with our man in 7. Inside ball. Smart play. Tyrell keeps it alive on the far side. This is a wonderful passage of play here. And the number 9 carrying it all the way. Beautiful, beautiful run. Length of the field try here from Feilding High School. And what a way to answer back after conceding a try.
Te pāhi whakaroto, te pāhi whakawaho, te pāhi whakaroto, te pāhi whakawaho. E hia ke ngā pāhi. I pāhingia ai te kapa o Feilding nei. Kātahi te pāhi, te tuku rua tuatahi. Ara te tiro. Pāhi whakaroto. Ana. Wāwahi i te rārangi, wāwao, kua piro. Koia pē te piro o te tau. Try the year ki taku matapai, ki taku whakatau tātou mā.
Joshua Tyrell, and some good lead-up work himself, but combining with his outside backs beautifully to send him careering downfield in what was a sparkling effort. And it pushes them out to 10-7 with this kick to come. Flag stay down, that's where it's at. Hope you're enjoying the action here. You're watching Whakata Māori, and of course on MāORI Plus and the YouTube channels associated with our strong focus on our young people, their sporting endeavours, and one way to encourage not just them but all of us to remain active through life. Thanks to Nativa and the various sponsors who help to bring the game to you, Bailey's as well, and Caltex. We'll give them more tautoko as the game unfolds. Ko Dale, Rau ko Moha husband, anchoring our commentary today, and thanks for your interest and for joining us here on Whakata Māori. Well, here's FDMC who come up with the football. Just down by 3. And we'll see what the options are as Jack Lawn gets hold of the ball here. Just 6 or 7 metres on enemy territory and opting to go to the line out. The work here for Liam Willis, number 2 with the headband on today, as he steadies himself to get to work. Good climb, well received. Taylor gets hold of the ball midfield now. Another big drive too from the number 8 who sets himself out in midfield. A potent force that takes some containing, giving the ball plenty of air at the moment. Both teams willing to throw it around. The coaches might ask them to pull things in a bit closer, but Feilding have shown that early attacking edge that we expect has resulted in 2 tries already. Up through the middle again. Here's Whanganui, well set as Francis Douglas concede a penalty. And again, just looking to steady the ship somewhat.
Quite an evenly matched game there. Pakari ana ngā tīma e rua. Bit of an early arm wrestle developing here in, what do you call it, Taranaki or Manawatu or Kei Whanganui aua wāhi e rua.
South Taranaki, I suppose it is Waverley. It's at Waverley as we see the throw in here. This is Blake Greenan. Accuracy, so very important. And it's secured here. Beautiful run, slicing run, 2 from the big 5, Dante Brown. That's a bold and beautiful carry, although again, failing to release, and so it's quick work here for FDMC. Numbers, Gooning, under pressure by his opposite neighbour. He makes the tackle, but it's delivered up, Lincoln at the base. Really loving the way that these guys are flinging the ball around. It comes with risk, but sometimes risk has rewards. And they'll continue to roll on here.
Ai, hāmene, ka whakawhitia mai ki te kapa o FDMC. Ko te ronga o tēnei hawhe, ko te 35 miniti. Ana, ko tai atu tātou ki te miniti rua te kau. Waverley Park here in New Plymouth.
Well, New Plymouth have travelled to Waverley. I think the name of the park's Dallison Park. The action is here this afternoon. Again to the back, Iosaya. Good run. Come to expect that from him now out into Oliver Crawford's hands. He too pushes forward with support from his locking partner, Walls. They fancy themselves down the left edge. And that's where they go once again. Inside ball. This is picked up by Goonan, who carts it forward a couple of metres. Just a little snipe. And the situation constantly changing here with indiscretions. But that's what the game is about, still with it. Francis Douglas Memorial College kicking to the far side of the field. A bit overcast in South Taranaki today, but no wind really, considering the wild weather that the lower North Highland experienced yesterday. It's calmed down somewhat, but it's still pretty wild out in the field as well. So here's the takes, so important here for Francis Douglas and their opponents for fielding, secure the football. Sniping little run, and it's wrestled out of the hands by Jack Lawn, but referee will call it back. There's Lawn. He's getting the congratulations. Gordy Whiting, as mentioned, 3 games in a week, I think it was, for fielding, plus school camp. So it's a little bit of juggling going on with the personnel.
E ka haere tonu ngā mahi a te kura, ko ngā aromata wai, ko ngā haerenga, o te hiate o ngā kaupapa hari te mea, ko te whutuporo o te kaupapa mātāmua, te kaupapa matua. Ngari aiki e te hiatu, ka tino whakakore aku kōrero.
Nagel and Tyrell with the tries for fielding. This time it's slipped across the sideline. Now that's going to give Francis Douglas a great opportunity in the red zone here for Feilding Agricultural High School. The pack's backing down today, and I guess every ruck is a reason for them to get in and show the power and strength technique that they've been refining over the months and years. Ball in hand now for Francis Douglas. But again, it's made its way out, so it's a bit of a chess match as we speak at the moment.
It's one of those matches there you can't confidently tip who's going to get up. Fielding have the polish and FDMC have the grit and determination.
Surely tries to Nagel Tyrell at the moment. And with the ball again, always looking dangerous, Whanganui. Scott on the far side has the football. Big prop forward, Troy Erks has it this time here for Francis Douglas. And that'll be a quick tapping away too as Tyrell looked to take advantage. So pressure valve somewhat released. Wallace McLeod kicking to the far side of the field. And the line out on the far side as well. So it's a bit of tit for tat at the moment there, Moiho.
Tika tau, mo te roanga atu o tēnei kemu, ko pērā te āhua.
Pretty finely balanced, actually. The both packs counteracting each other as the line out.
He āhua tītaha there, tītaha. Crooked, not straight, kāri, te tōtika he tītaha ke. Ana ko te kaipiro tuatahi ko Luteru Isaiah tēnei.
There's plenty of whistle blowing out there at the moment, but you know, the set pieces are so important. And of course, it is also vital too that these young players are exposed to what they might expect out in regional representation land. Referee today, Brad Watson. Plenty to say to both teams here. And again, not finding touch on the far side of the field as the kick comes way downtown. Bounce here is going to be important, secured, albeit after a bit of pressure as well at the back. Andre Dixon. And again, utilising the big forwards to haul the ball. That's Lockie Hawker, who has it at the moment. They decide to work right. This will be a settler as well. Still alive, still with ball in hand. Feilding High School. A warm welcome to all the connections back home there in Feilding, around the wider Manawa 2. And just looking for where that bounces. It doesn't go into touch, but the chase is decent. And still alive here for FDMC. Although the fullback finds himself under tremendous pressure, that's Tim Corrigan.
Te community e toina e hoa mā, koutou e mā taki mai nā. Ko FDMC e poraka whero ana, ko Feilding e poraka kahurangi ana. E toru ngā kaute te rereketanga ki waenga I enei kapa ko PJ whaungali anō tērā. Kāmutu ko te wihara anō tērā. E whakatikaina ana I ngā tini hāmene e ahu maina ana I te kēmu nei.
Hello at the Kemi nei. Really enjoying the work of both teams here. It is very competitive, and that's exactly what we anticipated. We thought normally you'd earn the right to go wide, but really from the starting kickoff, they wanted to give it some lateral movement.
Yeah, and
Great 5 again, the climb again from Jack Walls.
Impressed how both teams are supporting one another. Teams are confident to be able to offload the ball. Here's the big boy. Ko Alfredi raka tēnei e pāhi ana te pauro ki tana hoapari rau ki te nama te kaumatahi a haki neigu. Feilding. E anga whakamua ana. Kei wanga tonu I te whira I nāne I maka whakamua I maka whakamuri rānei. Auare ake, ka pai ngā mahi a te whurupeka a Andre Dixon. Wairangi whakawa Galloway tērā. Ngari tūhapa ana ai ki te referee. Awesome break there by the big fella Alfredi Raka.
Yeah, he's been good. This is the skipper. And of course, let the haka today. It's Tūhakaroa Wallace McLeod will kick to touch. But it has been good, great lead-up work from Alfredi.
He just played to the ball, showed some great speed. He's a big man, ran out of gas, poked it Penny Heaney, turned it back on the inside to his to his left wing. And Hucky, Mr. Jack Nagel.
He's a really big guy to be in the centres. And I'm sure these boys from from Francis Douglas will be going, oh, he's got it again, the big fella. So here's the drive. This is what it's all built on too. Cohesion. Here they go. Toia mai, and there's the try that's been awarded.
Te namarua Dale, taku matapai ko Liam Motaku he ko Blake Greenham.
Well, that's who we're crediting with the 2, but Feilding some good lead-up work through the midfield, potent and insightful push forward there from Raka, and ultimately the line-out was well contained. Look at the way it's carried in here, Moiho.
Normally the case at Te Kai Few. Blake Greenham, Te Kai Tikape, the hooker, throws the ball in and joins the back of the maul. You can see them struggling themselves to the goal line. Ara ko Blake Greenham tērā.
Right in the right position as well, the hooker. So really supporting each other too at the set pieces, and then the drive forward. The maul was successful, as was the conversion as well. Good to have you with us today as we celebrate the wonderful skills of our first 15 rugby squads in the CNI Championship. 17-7 now. As Feilding Agricultural High School take the lead, and there is your try scorer, Blake Greenham. Feilding has stretched them out now and built themselves a strong platform here in Waverley. The scoreline reflecting their ability to capitalise when those opportunities come. And when they get that momentum, they really want to make it count.
Feilding Inaine with their tails up, going from right to left. Big fend, back on the inside. This is another big-bodied lad.
Viliamu gets the ball in. They're keeping it just inside touch at the moment. Feilding High School. So they're getting the roll on at the moment, up by 10, and really asking some questions of the defence here from Francis Douglas, who are under pressure as they get themselves back into the red zone and issue another challenge to the try scorer.
Little tip on, nice two-man play there as Greenham marches up the field. Ko tere prei te poro ki te taha matau nai nei, ko topa tahi tēnei. Me tana ārai. Striking off inside defenders. Ka tau te ruck nei. Tahi mita te tawhiti. Hea tā te kai wawau, he poto. Short.
Another great opportunity. So they've got the ball in hand. This is Feilding High School with it. That'll drive towards the try line here. They've been good in the last 5 or 7 minutes. And it looks to me as that as enough has been done as the big number 5 climbs to his feet. Dante Brown, well, again, just reward for a concerted effort across multiple plays here. And Dante Brown gets the acknowledgement of his teammates as well. So that pushes the scoreline out again. Also, they're really starting to win this territorial battle, Feilding High School. And the skipper continues to control the tempo and the field position. So it's a really great effort that's been put together by the young lads out of the Manawatu. And of course, Francis Douglas Memorial College are struggling to stay with them at the moment. 22-7, we're just on 4.5 minutes to play. The conversion attempt is not successful this time around, but they've just been able to keep the momentum and keep rolling down the field. Really impressed with some of the work that's been done midfield, particularly from Wallace McLeod. For my Viliamu, Moraka has been exceptional when he's had the ball in hand, the big number 13. And of course, Jack Nagel has chimed in as well, doing some really good work on the left edge. Now it's up to Francis Douglas, a strong reputation, the boys from New Plymouth, but they can't do anything about the scoreline unless they get the ball in hand, and that has been their problem. Momentum, field position has all been with Feilding High School in the latter stages of this first half. And Francis Douglas need to scramble for the football as Luteru Isaiah gets in and tries to get a turnover, but still maintaining possession. And ultimately, that's the reason why they've got such a good lead on the scoreboard. 22-7 with 3 to play as the kick goes to the far side of the field where it's picked up by Flynn Scott. Back into the middle with Tim Corrigan, who drives it downfield.
E kua poho kereru ngā kai tautoko I te kapa o Feilding I tēnei ata, I tēnei ahi tonu ko rātou. E anga whakamua ana I tēnei kemu, engari teo kei te miharo au ki etihi o ngā centres o te kapa o Feilding, he pī ki whara rātou.
Aye.
Pohehe etihi he paumua ke rāua. These are the two people I'm talking about, number 12 and 13, they're giants.
He rawe.
Anō nei he tōtara no te wao nui a tāne.
Aye.
Jingers.
He rawe te tana mahi. Oh, little knock on there. So the first real mistake that we've seen from the skipper today, Tuhakaraya Wallace McLeod. Other than that, this Feilding High School team has played with great character, great strength, and their dominance on the scoreboard has come as a result. Brown in there to score. We had Tyrell, Nagel, and of course Isaiah for FDMC. But they've been under some pressure. Long game still to go though as we approach the half-time break. Be wonderful if the boys from New Plymouth were able to secure some points just before the break. Now they come down to the left edge. Here's a driver on the ground. Clever play, but it's read nicely at the back too. Little mid-air goosey. And then going to ground as the supports come in. It's Whiting and Whakava Galloway, who was there first. An impressive showing, and Justin Locke and Nathan Williams, the coaching staff for Feilding High School, be well pleased with the work that they've put in here today, although FDMC still with an opportunity deep into this first half. You're watching the CNI live on Whakata Māori bilingual coverage, and of course celebrating the best of our rangatahi and their abilities here. And we're coming at you from Dallison Park in Waverley, approaching half time. Here they are, Francis Douglas, with an opportunity. They really need to capitalise. Discipline. Get some pressure. They want to build their phases more patiently and get some sustained pressure near the line, but this time around, the opportunity denied them. And of course, it'll end up in the hands of Feilding High School here. And some of the discipline issues have been of concern. And a lot of penalties being awarded for indiscretions in the ruck. And then we go to the far side of the field. Counting down towards half-time. Throw and work for Blake Greenham. He's already scored one here for his squad today. Tap back, still with Feilding. The lads from the Manawatu with the football. Kia ora and welcome if you've just joined us. This is CNI and round 5 of the action. Francis Douglas Memorial College in the red and yellow. And of course, Feilding High School opposing them today. There's the halftime hooter and a wonderful lead here at the moment, 22 points to 7. Feilding High School heading to the sheds in control, but of course here at Waverley, we know that we've seen a lot of schoolboy action. No lead is ever truly safe. Great to have you with us. Ko Dale Tēnei and moi hau husband. We'll take a break here on Whakaata Māori, CNI coverage, half-time. Feilding High School, 22, Francis Douglas Memorial College, 7.
The best kind of people I want to interview are the ones that have got something really significant to say.
The new season of award-winning current affairs.
It's really about having a conversation and listening.
Te ao with Moana, ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
Action! You might know us as rugby players.
Or that out-the-gate couple that pop up on your socials.
But what you might not know, holy but they have a baby. We need help.
You need help, I'm alright.
Sheree and Gillies ki Māori Plus, me whakaata Māori.
Hey. Sport is about more than just a game. It's about going from teammates to best mates. It's the high fives and helping hands. That's why Caltex is proud to help fuel school sports.
What makes selling with Bailey's altogether better? It's the energy we bring to every home we sell. Enhancing and lifting the energy of your home to achieve the best possible result. Because when the energy is right, you can feel it. Bailey's, altogether better.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times.
I've been waiting for the right time. I'm just fine until I'm finding the greener grass, a little sun. It is yours, it is mine.
The forest should never have been taken off this steep hill country that's eroding, and it makes absolute sense to afforest those hills. What we're doing here is using the exotics to help that process get established. We're looking at a managed transition process where those pines are progressively thinned as the native understory establishes. We're trying to do several things here. Soak up carbon, establish native forest, and we're trying to improve biodiversity. You're achieving an awful lot with one program of activity.
Reira, he mea huatu tēnei ki a rātou. Hei kura, hei tiki mō rātou, hei whai ake i ngā kahura.
Kei te ngaro haere au ki roto ki tēnei ao Pākehā.
Ko tā te waka ma he whakakaha i taku hononga ki te ao Māori.
Ka whai take aku whea ko Pauri, hei whakamana i taku ana mata.
Mātō Raurau ki Māori Plus.
They won't be working in my restaurant when I get one.
I don't think anyone else would put up with it.
They're too scared. Shut up and go.
It'll be one hell of a show. Oh, there's no other way but keeping it native.
Only one Robert Redford here, Bet.
That is tough. Kei aku nui, kei aku rahi, anei rā, a haka feels.
Let's just make sure that everyone knows who we are.
Te whāinga matua, kia rangatira tutu, kia Whanganui tutu.
Me, my brother's like, stop.
I want to win. I want to win.
Let's go! Anei a haka feels, te mihi atu nei.
Whakapiri mai, whakatata mai. Aku iti, aku rahi hoki mai anō ki tēnei whakapāhotanga. O te kemu I Whanganui I a Feilding High School me FDMC, ko Feilding e haere whakamua ana, anga whakamua ana, ka te tiro anō tātou ki ngā whakarāpopototanga. Me ki ngā tino paenga o te wahanga tuatahi. We'll have a look at highlights of the first half.
Yeah, and it's been Feilding all of the way. This was Nagel in for the first try to sort of bulge himself across the top of Tim Corrigan. It was a difficult tackle for him to make. And then soon after, it was the big number 8 who was able to get across for the only try that was scored by Francis Douglas. Some good lead-up work as well. But Francis Douglas had been forced to defend for long stretches inside their own half. It's a lovely run down the left edge. One of the highlights, and just came a cropper at the last moment there for Flynn Scott. There was some great work here from the midfield.
Te piro o te tau, yeah.
Lovely interchange, and Tyrell is the try scorer.
Yeah, ko ia te oti ngā atu, ngari rawe ka te ngā pāhi o te pauro anei, ka te tiro anō tātou ki te piro ngā Greenham. Nā nāna te pauro I whiu, hoia hoki te rā e mauan ki tana tīma.
With a field
Nā wai ka te pauro.
Sorry to interrupt, they're really punishing every small error. They're dominating with field position, and fielding structure is starting to really stretch the defence as well. Francis Douglas, 35 minutes to play, but you'd really be expecting some sort of turnaround. The Kaiwawao in consultation with connections as well. But there's still plenty of football to be played here today, although Feilding High School have certainly controlled the scoreboard pressure so far. And for Francis Douglas, well, they're going to have to earn every single metre or millimetre the hard way. Great to have the support of these wonderful companies who recognise the importance of celebrating rangatahi sport.
Ai, ko Anchor Tera, ko Apollo Projects, Nativa, Caltex, Baileys, ka mutu ko whakata Māori, ka Māori Plus. Koutou e whakarongo maina, e mātakitaki maina ki tēnei o ngā whakapāhotanga kei te mihi. O tira kia koutou kei runga I ngā ipurangi, e tūhono maina ā rorohiko, ā waia pūkoro, ā tīpapa, ā ipapa, koutou ngā miriona tāngata e mātakitaki maina I tēnei whakataitai e mihi kawana kia koutou.
Are there any devices that you can't get it on? Surely not. Banging around the Whakata Māori verse or universe, as well as we send all these images right across the globe. If you are watching from afar, you know, this is where it all starts. And if you think that our major national teams' reputation comes from nowhere, this is where the groundwork is done. I'm not saying that all these guys are going to end up playing for the All Blacks, but there could be somebody who emerges. You just never know, do you? Certainly, both Kura have examples of those who've gone on to higher honours, not the least of them the boys from Taranaki. So Francis Douglas Memorial College, they need to start well here in the second half as Taylor works towards the midfield. Expansive, the double around here, but some pressure on, and the defensive work there and the read was exceptional.
Yep, it's just kicking off, starting where they kicked off, Dale, is that we see another great carry. He's been outstanding in the first half. That was Luteru Isaiah.
But still the turnover at Moiho, and that's been problematic for them. Every time they exit poorly fielding, come straight back at them, and that's what we're witnessing here in the midfield, although it will be a scrum feed here for Feilding. Now, for Feilding, they need to start utilising percentage rugby here and to start sort of trying to control the tempo. Their opponents have really done that so far in the game, and Feilding High School have been very dominant. When they get front football, they certainly look very dangerous. Francis Douglas Memorial College. You can hear the fire sirens going off in the background here. We are coming to you from Waverley today. And as I mentioned at the start of our broadcast, normally these midweek games played in front of a lot of parochial student supporters.
22's on the field now. That's Ben Willis. Early tidy-up work for him. Maka whakamua, my fielding. Early opportunities for FDMC to get their hands on the ball. Possibly most likely to kick the ball down and play the territory game. Field position game. What's happening is Taranaki erupting, or could be a tsunami, or Mr. Whippy's.
No, not at all. You've got to pay tribute to our rural towns and the fire and emergency services, often manned by volunteers, and there's always a nervousness when the siren goes in a small town, New Zealand. Mihana to all of those who work in those first responder roles. Important everywhere, but perhaps even more so in small rural communities. Francis Douglas with the ball with Whanganui. And kicking to touch here on the broadcast side. It won't make it. It's gassed back infield as well there by Andre Dixon, who gets hold of the ball and keep it alive and straight across the field. 2 passes from one side to the other. Wonderful defensive effort in there by Yundai. And it's going to be Francis Douglas with the ball. And coming back to kick for touch on the far side of the field, Jack Lawn.
Yeah, Isaiah. Luteru Isaiah is carrying it strongly, but obviously needs a few more support runners around him, as we see him there in the number 8 jersey.
Yeah, well, they're struggling to get some clean exits from the deep Moiho, and they'll need a little bit sort of patience to work their way back in.
However, one king break could completely change their momentum. Still plenty of time.
Yeah, there is. But with turnovers, it's making life even more difficult. 22-7, the scoreline. Great to be with us here. Feilding winning the game through territory and patience. And, of course, their opponents today have been asked to defend a hell of a lot longer than they wanted to. I'm sure that they wanted to have more ball, but certainly been a game of pressure rather than broken play. And here we see the pressure being applied yet again by Feilding, who continue to use the ball and use it well, although the ball's gone down on that occasion. Play on as the big number 12 pushes forward for Waivili Army. Peeling it away again as Tyrell. Everyone wants a piece of the action at the moment. Dante Brown with another strong carry. Left edge running right out the back, scooting it through Wallace McLeod. And look at the gas down the left edge here, Moiho.
Karo whakaroto.
Back in the middle, though.
Kia Willis. Rata anau ki te double pump me te goose step a te whurupeke. Andre Dixon.
Hea te kupu Māori mo te goose step.
Ei aua, Benji Marshall would know. Nāna te taua tepe. E hia ke ngā kaitākaro toki tau tīrai raka I roto I ngā tau. Pēnei a Caelan Ponga, Benji Marshall, Nehe Milna Skara, ko ia tētihi tino.
Tino off floaters. Sonny Bill, he was really good at it, of course. Wallace McLeod, his captaincy, has been vital here today. He's played a very strong hand, very self-assured athlete at the moment. But every time Feilding get into attacking shape, they look dangerous, don't they? And securing the football yet again as they climb forward. Keeping the roll on, as they say, and Feilding getting straight back into their work in the second half.
2 converted tries, the difference. Feilding wanting to make it 3 to the short side they play. Chop down, a couple of metres out. Backdoor play as a short ball line is ran hard and straight through Alifreti Raka. Pick and go, te mahi a te pau ono. Ko waiatu. Ko ia ko wairangi whakawa Galloway.
Well, the lead-up work once again, you know, They've been so very dominant, haven't they, Feilding High School, and they kicked that scoreline out again. Been very, very tough for the defending squad today. And another angled run coming in from Alifireti Oraka. And then up with the ball is Wairangi. Whakava Galloway. And great work, great lead-up work, very structured play. And Feilding really making this park and Waverley their own today, showing why they're one of the top units in CNI rugby as well. A tough road home here for Francis Douglas Memorial. Looking for the extras. Till do. The flags are up as they continue their march towards victory. Wonderful to have you with us here this afternoon here, and Whakata Māori celebrating our Central North Island schools. Of course, there's plenty of Super 8 rugby, but pilot on to secondary schools, Wakaama, and coverage of Neti Poro. There's plenty to enjoy about this focus on rangatahi sport and sport active. Really the goal for all of us. Been for a run this morning, Moiha?
Kaua I tēnei, te ngari ina nahi I putau, ki te kori.
Those at home will say, well, they're just exercising their lips.
So good at.
So again, well, look at this break down the middle. I like the big guys having a dig. This time it's Kingston Ngata. He gets onto the field. The midfield have been very potent. And Francis Douglas have really struggled there to contain. Taking nothing away from them. It's not without trying, but at the moment, Feilding High School just seem to be in a rhythm that's almost unstoppable as we see the skipper with the football. Perhaps even a run on with the injury. They'll have to use these, the interchange bench. Hearty attitude on show here from the boys from the Manawatu.
I think both of these teams, aha ko te o te ngātu Dale, no matter the result, they'll be pretty stoked how the Hurricanes are travelling in the Super Rugby competition.
Oh, certainly. They'll be watching intently what's going on in the higher level competitions, trying to refine aspects of their own games. There's the big number 3 in front for us. It's Deegan Uhlenberg.
Congratulations also, Dale, to te kapa wahine, wahi teiria, me te kapa tāne o Afrika ki te Tonga. I puta aihu mo te whakataitai take whitu I tēnei tau.
Well, I don't know.
Yeah, they got up. They won the World Sevens.
Yeah, but what are you going to congratulate them here on Māori television?
Yeah,
is that what you're doing?
Hey, we're sick of winning it. Those our Māori.
Turn it up, Moyo. You know, when others, when it goes unmentioned, you know the rule. You know the rule of the rugby field.
Oh, well. Up the was.
Yeah. Enjoying bringing the action here from our young men. To be honest, we're just supportive of our young people. Don't care if they're playing any game. They could be playing darts or
pigs in a
hockey,
bucket.
Pigs in a bucket, old time backyard kaupapa. The main thing is that they are growing, learning about teamwork, and that's what this is all about. As we see once again another attacking raid down the left edge, more than an attacking raid, 2 stepping back in. It's Kuliambaki, and the flyer gets another try as they ram home the advantage yet again. Oh, the tire Kuliambaki. Gee, that was a good try down the left edge.
Haven't really had the reason to hit that flank when the centres have been carving up the middle. Flying Fijian winger, every team's got to have one. So we have another look. Stacking the short side, some nice sleight of hands by the reserve in number 19. That's Austin Tuncliffe. He turns the ball back into the hands of Vitaya Kuruyabaki, who's just playing games with him.
Well, you know, he was fleet-footed. He got the ball in good space, and obviously he's got the pace as well to be very elusive. It was a tough one for the fullback to counteract, and in the end, scoreboard really starting to kick out here as Feilding exert their dominance, and really taking control of this contest, and the tempo now very much in Feilding's control. Every mistake's been punished at this level. And It's becoming a field position battle. There's the young man who scored the try, though. And mbula to all of our Fijian whānau who call NZ home. They're such a proud people and so athletic. Fantastic physiques for the game of rugby, or for any contact sport, to be honest. But a wonderful effort there by the young guy on the left edge. Right, we're back into the action, and it's just coming wave after wave after wave here as Feilding again look to create opportunities. Again, the right-hand defence here for Francis Douglas has been absolutely tested here this afternoon in Waverley. And the big men are paying dividends. The decision to have some chunky centres is really paying off for the coaching staff. Nathan Williams, Justin Lockett have to be pretty pleased with the way things are going as the inside ball just misses the hand, delivered up there by Whakava Galloway, who didn't score so very long ago himself. But everyone's full of confidence now and everyone's a ball player.
Ne tautoko pau te kororo. Deo nāu anō I mea tia atu ko te rahi. O ko te whaiwahi atu o ngā piki whara ki ngā paumuri, te rangapū paumuri he tahi te whakaro rangatira ko tērā. Ko ia hoki te mahere rautaki, te whāngai, te poro kia raiwa. Big man v little man. E me pehe kore ai tātou mā, oe no, ka tau te nono ki nānei, ki te rarangi hawhe. Ko kuhu mai ki te whira ko Sam Watson, ko ia te hawhe pēke tuarua. Kei runga ia I te whira. Me te hi atu, ko matua manu tai.
They take it off the back. Once again, Isaiah, well, he certainly knows one way, or the only way, is to roll forward as Watson gets hold of the ball. Be great to see them score a try, Francis Douglas, just to bring a little bit more confidence back as Deegan Uhlenberg cuts it, carries forward strongly. Watson calling for it. FDMC, that ball has gone behind. They'll take time to recover, but still under pressure as Feilding move forward onto a beautiful carry here from Tim Corrigan. He looks to team up or to get the ball to his teammate, but sadly goes to ground. Feilding back in possession here. And the defence of Francis Douglas Memorial College having to work overtime as the ball is deep downfield. Taken at the back by Goonan on the far side of the field, and the referee will haul them all the way back. And a bit of breathing space here now. Francis Douglas will have the ball and taking it across onto the spot as Lorne having a couple of words with his teammates, depending on what they will opt to do. Going for a scrum as Watson steadies himself and prepares to feed the scrum. From our broadcast side, this is a scything run from Tim Corrigan, who's done some very good work today, the fullback. Unfortunately for him, when he's looking for support, and it didn't look as though Lorne was too far away, it was somewhat intercepted and tapped down. That's why Francis Douglas will have the ball and another opportunity. Centre field, 30 out from the try line. Positive vibes only, the message on the back of our referees, and I guess that's a lesson to us all. We know that some supporters can get a little bit overzealous in support of their young players. There's a driving tackle, putting pressure on Hurley, but still secured for FDMC. They have the football here, but they need a concerted effort and try and maintain possession and to get some good ball, some clean ball back to Luteru Isaiah, who has the football only 5 metres away here. FDMC need a bit of a spark. Perhaps that's a spark that needs to come. Isaiah trying to carry them forward, the big guy. And still in possession. This is the best piece of players. It comes back to Isaiah once again. He's coming towards the try line. Maintains possession and a penalty as well offside. I love the way that Watson wants to get on with things. He's got fresh legs.
Kua hoha haere te kaua wao a Watson. Nā te nui o ngā hāmene e puta mai ana I tēnei wahanga o te kemu. Te wahanga mōrearea me ki. Having a word to them. The next penalty, young man might be marched.
So here's the chance that FDMC need it's a long way home and perhaps unrealistic to think they'll get there at 32-7. But there is still 20 minutes to go. They certainly want to get their names on the scoreboard as well. Maintaining control at the moment, FTMC. Fielding, let's see if they're as good on defence as they have been on attack here today. Still alive at the scrum base and heading towards the try line, and I think it's been secured. I'm not quite sure of the number. Let's see as he emerges from the pack. Is the young fellow with the headgear on, Moiho?
E taku mōhio ko te tekau mā iwa katahi anō ka kuhu ki te whira a matua manu tai. Kei te tika ahau, he
Number 19.
mata ki te tēnei.
I let the haka, didn't he? Malua. Malua Manutai. He's just come on. I'm not quite sure if he's managed to worm his way across the line, but that's how the referee, who was right on target and right next to the posts.
Manages to get back up after his carry down and then look left, look right, go left, plant the ball, and FTMC have clawed their way back.
Well, it's 7 points anyway and a little more respectability, still 20 in it. But a quick try again, and anything could happen. They're having to work strong on defence too. So when it comes to ball in hand and attacking, you understand that they are a bit gassed. 18 minutes to play. 32-12. Feilding High School continue to look good as well. Firmly in charge of this one. But FDMC, well, they need something special. Again, kia ora to our whānau, watching on Whakata Māori with connections into Taranaki. Always keeping an eye on what's happening in the CNI, this proud competition. Being the best of our Central North Island schools on stage and celebrated through coverage here by Whakata Māori. The ball has gone to ground, and now is something of a break. Good front on defence, though. Number 20 goes to ground, Lennox Heivaga. They're using the bench. Plenty of them too. Young, fresh legs coming on, wanting to make some sort of impact with the ball. There's Felix Smith in 17. Watson to the back. Lawn finds himself in some trouble. And again, they will maintain possession. Now, this is so very important. You can't do anything unless you've got the ball in hand.
Kei te hari ahau I te mea kua whakaro nui te kai ako te kapo o Feilding kia whai wāhi atu ko ana kai tākoro kai riwhi, kai tākoro tuarua me ki te kake I te whira. E menu I tērā, ke whakamana I a rātou, ke whakatupu I a rātou, ke whakawhanake I a rātou, ai roto I tēnei atu āhuatanga ki tēnei o ngā taumata, tēnei o ngā reanga. No reira, FTMC I ngana ana, whakahoki ai te MΑORI. Hence, ko whanako hia e Feilding.
Yeah, against the line-out throw-ins, always a bit frustrating. The Feilding, well, they've been dominant today and perhaps deserve the football in hand. This is Tunnicliffe who takes it. Working at the back is Joey Beezer. But again, the boys from New Plymouth, just down the road here from Waverley. And he'll have a couple of words there to Sam Watson. The ref knows he wants to get on with it quickly, but inadvertently a little push and referee. Brad Watson wasn't overly impressed. A couple of words, but nothing untoward. Certainly no intent, I'd suggest. I'd be surprised if it was. Just one of those things that can happen. As the throw-in here once again to the work of Charlie Aim. That one's climbed onto a back. Aim gets in and secures it for his teammate as Watson picks up the football, but the referee unsatisfied or dissatisfied, and will ask for the scrum to be set here. Feilding High School, as we look back across the try scorers, and they've come thick and fast as well, with Nagel early on, then Tyrell and Greenham, and 3 other fine tries as well. So they've certainly had the advantage on the scoreboard right throughout the game. And that late try there to Manutai really just putting a bit more respectability to the scoreboard. But it will be, again, Francis Douglas Memorial College, and it's their back rower, Isaiah, who again bulldozes his way forward. Just trying to inspire his teammates as Watson gets hold of the ball, and he's munted in the tackle of Alex Brosnan. The big unit in number 1. We've got some strong characters. Dante Brown getting into the defensive work as well as Manutai inches his way forward. There's the posts right in front of them for Francis Douglas. Great opportunity for them. Again, Watson from the scrum base.
Taha matau I nei, ko te aronga, ko te rarangi piro. Just unable to get any continuity going at the moment. FDMC, me te rao ngā whurupeke, a Ben Willis. Te teina Liam Willis. FDMC down by 20.
But they're still having to go, and that's what you've got to like about it. But isn't that the way right on in this competition? As a weaving and crafty run comes to an abrupt end as the defenders come in quickly on Matty Doonan. Again, Francis Douglas continue to try, and that's what we love most about it all. But this time they'll turn the football over to their opponents.
Yeah, me mihi kia Alex Brosnan, kuia te rā, e tāhai ana, e whanako ana I te pauro. Big blindside prop, able to stay on his 2 feet and get his hands on the pill.
Yeah, they're nicely balanced as far as physique are concerned, and they've been utilised well by Justin Locke, that is, Nathan Williams, the co-coaches here for Feilding High School. They're making this a stop-start contest, but it suits them perfectly, and frustration starting to build up as well for Francis Douglas. Feilding, I guess, Moiho, really just managing the game, you know, quite exceptionally under these conditions today.
The FDMC are throwing everything at it. Feilding High School are holding firm. They've got good discipline, good structure, and good control, and they're seeing the clock wind down.
Here in Waverley today, neutral ground, 32-12. 12 official minutes to play on our clock. Referee might see it differently. And it comes here to Ben Willis. He's caught up as, wow, these solid guys get in there, including Victor Malosilia.
For my Viliamu, Nana te hapa. Charlie Ain, Felix Smith, Jacob Foley, Malua Manutai, Lennox Hevega, Sam Watson, Ben Willis. That's the bench for FDMC. Come on with good stride.
Well, pretty much everyone's been used. I think we're yet to see maybe Monty Gibson. We'll keep an eye out for 18. That's in Feilding. The only thing that, you know, starting on the bench means you're an underrated performer. You know, games are won by your starters and the bench, and it's just so important. And once you do get the chance, you do as well as you can. Of course, the competition featuring Lindisfarne and Matamata, St John's out of Hamilton, St John's out of Hastings as well. There's Whanganui Collegiate, I think Wesley College, yeah, of course, and St Peter's Cambridge. So there's some proud kura involved in the Central North Island Championship, and pleased to be able to be part of a team bringing it to you here on Whakaata Māori.
Feilding High School, one of the most respected co-ed schools in NZ, known for its strong academia, student life, and strong connection to the Manawatu community as well. 1921 they opened, been around for a minute. Rich history and strong values as well. The boys from Feilding, kia toa, kia ngā kaunui. Acknowledge some of the All Blacks of yesteryear. Cody Taylor, Luke Whitelock, Aaron Smith, and the Whitelock brothers.
Yeah, plenty of reps have come out of that kura over the years, eh, mate? Stacks of them.
Teams from the Condors, Secondary School Sevens, Barbars, NZ Secondary Schools, the under-20s, All Black Sevens, New Zealand Māoris and the All Blacks. As we acknowledge their honours lists, and also the sponsors backing us here. You can see in our key down below, and on the banners that wrap around the field.
Yeah, Bailey's, Dativa, Apollo, and of course, Anchor. Anchor me.
In the middle of the deep blue sea.
Of course. Not Anchor, butter. Butter makes everything taste better. Up the middle we come. Kia ora to our whānau too at Field Days underway today. A lot of these guys from fielding will be having farming backgrounds, of course. Very innovative, a lot of our farmers as well, looking at new machinery and technologies, always constantly changing as we see fielding again. Well, I'm pretty sure we're going to see another try. This carry is through Lucas Goodman. He has it. Tyrell's had a great game today as Ngata gets hold of it again. This is Big Kingston Ngata who has the football. Dante Brown signalling. And they keep coming in waves. Really difficult to counteract for Francis Douglas Memorial College as Goodman gets hold of the football. There's the try line, not too far away for them. 20 metres out. Holding it up through the hands. Now the fullback chimes in. Got to keep it alive down that right edge. This guy scored a scorcher. This is Kuria Bucky. Laid back. Wallace McLeod is into play it at the base of the ruck, delivered up nicely. Pressure on again for Francis Douglas Memorial College, down 20 points. Don't want to concede another. Ball in hand from Monty Gibson. Inching forward, the dominance continues here from Feilding High School. Numbers on the left edge, keeping it alive. Well, they went from coast to coast, and it still hasn't finished as well. Into the hands here of Ngata, who carries the ball towards the line. You've got to fancy the chances here. Feilding High School on the far side of the field, and the referee will say, boys, I was impressed. And as a commentator, so was I. Alafaneti Raka is your try scorer, and no more deserving today than the big number 13. He's been so potent in the midfield. But beautiful lead-up work from Feilding High School. And to be honest, while they were struggling to defend, they were showing some commitment. But Francis Douglas Memorial College just couldn't contain them. And in the end, it was the big man who gets the try. Lots to celebrate. One of the best on track today.
Wave after wave, Dale. Ko Alafaneti Raka ai, ko ia tonu. Mari ko Kingston Ngata, titihi atu, piki wharai, whakaeke. I whakaeke mai I te whira nei, Feilding High School. Toru tekau mā whetu I nai nei. Nā wai ka uaua katahi, ka uaua ke atu ngā mahi mā FDMC. Kiki uaua tēnei. Ai, kua hikina ngā haki, kua tohua mai nā, pai te kiki, conversion successful. Ko ia ko te whana tāpiri.
Seems not to be able to do anything wrong today. If it was an exam, these lads would be getting A+, my hope.
It's called excellences nowadays, Dale. You haven't been in the NCAA space.
What have they changed it? Yeah. What happened to A+?
Hey, ka hoki mai te rātu āhuatanga a ngā tau e rua kei mui te aroaro ai ki te kāwanatanga o te inai nei.
Oh, they have conceded 2 tries, so perhaps just an A. Or even an A-.
AC's get degrees, Dad.
No, that's what the saying is. Yep. Well, celebrating the life of our young people in Kura. Of course, there's a lot involved here as they grow and mature, but sport plays an important role, just as art and music, and of course the traditional subjects of
Hangarau Matahiko, digital media.
Hangarau Matahiko.
Yeah,
of course.
It's the new subjects of today's day and age. I like to call it being a haututu, pressing all the buttons that you shouldn't.
Yeah.
Creating content.
It's an amazing time we live in there, moi hope. And great opportunities. But rugby hasn't changed.
2 proud teams out of Feilding, Whanganui and Taranaki in a kapa e rua.
I remember it was at at a high school too when rugby was first developed, when someone decided to pick up the round ball and run it to the line. I was interested in the term try and how it came to be, and seemingly back in the day when this occurred, the start of rugby, I guess, you weren't given points for getting over the line with the ball, but you did have a chance to convert. Therefore, you could try to convert and therefore get points. That's where the term try came, because as you score, you'd think he hasn't tried, he's succeeded.
Well, can you try and explain it a bit better, please?
I don't know that I can. It's the best I can do this hour.
When you had some spare time Googling what try meant and where it came to be, tēnā koe I tō whakamārama Dale.
Yeah, okay. Well, some will be at home saying, hey, this guy's gone wonky in the head. But you might want to have a look yourself and see if it resonates with you at all.
Just under over three to play, tātou mā. It's been a dominant performance from Feilding High School. Previously, Feilding pumped Matamata, unfortunately, and however, FDMC, they got up. We broadcasted that game down against the Whanganui Collegiate.
That's right.
And as the coach was saying, they're down on a few troops.
Yeah, well, that's to be expected, I guess, Moiho. It's a challenge across weeks and months, isn't it? It's not one out match. They'll be disappointed here, but they will also have to acknowledge that Feilding have really just had their measure, and they'll go back to the drawing board. They'll get it together on Tuesday or Thursday after school. This guy has been powerful. They've really enjoyed watching his running.
Mean offload, Dale.
Mean offload. Yeah, Moiho. But the defence is strong as well. Scrambling quickly is the skipper, Wallace McLeod, and he comes back for another dose of medicine. Good running from the number 80, Saya. This is good play. PJ Whanganui has the ball. Watson calling for it. That's him there with it in hand now. Back to the number 8. And he's Sayer again. Every time he gets the ball, he looks as though he's meaning business. And that's inspiring his teammates around him as well. Francis Douglas would love to get across and score another try in the dying moments of this one. Little flick backs, and this man has had a strong game too, with few opportunities. I've been impressed by Matthew Goodman. This time couldn't quite get the ball away, but he's got some pace, and he injects himself in as well. Just hasn't had the opportunities that his opponents have had through the course of the game as we go deep now into the second half.
Up next, we've got Feilding High School taking on Lindisfarne College at Feilding High School. This team, FDMC, are taking on St Paul's Collegiate, so the league continues and the rugby doesn't stop here. We've got a game in a few days, Saturday the 13th of June. Quick turnaround in this competition.
Yeah, for sure. Oh, well, the young blokes, they want to get out on the field and have a go. No injuries. And one thing that has been the hallmark of the competition, I haven't seen anything untoward, no dirty play in all the games that we've covered on Whakaata Māori. I'm picking that's because there is an element of respect for each other as they do battle, and that's the right thing. Been very impressed here by Elsua Tyrell, the number 9 for the Feilding High School squad. Been very, very strong as we come down towards the finish of this one today. Solid performances, some good tries have been scored as well. Nagel, Tyrell, Greenham, Bakava Galloway, Gillian Bucky, and Bucket as well. And some extra meterage here. Francis Douglas Memorial College. FDMC, not the motorcycle club, but the Memorial College. 39-12, commanding second half performance. Built on structure and discipline. And Feilding's abilities and their discipline. And ultimately, I guess, Moiho, turning those pressure points, pressure into points.
Tika tau teo ko te āhuatanga ki te whakahaere I te kēmu. He pakeke, ana controlled the tempo for large periods. Feilding High School shown why they're one of the benchmark sides of the CNI rugby. Patient, powerful, and
here he comes.
Ruthless.
Here he comes.
He certainly deserves one.
Lieutenant Wiosia, he can't quite get across the line. Isaiah this time. And the referee's well on hand. Is he going to call it back? Trying.
Karika, ka hoki anō ki te Hāmene Dale. He oi anō. For the mana of the poraka, FDMC looking to score late in the final stages of this game.
Well, I know the old Corridor's last try wins, but I don't think it's the...
Here comes a kāri.
Okay. Hea te kara o te kāri.
Kare kore he kōwhai.
Kare kore he kōwhai.
No doubt. Or it could just be a few words.
That's what it is. Well, that's our clock. We're on the referee's call now. Ultimately, it's down to his wristwatch. Watson delivers up for Jack Walls, who darts towards the line. But I tell you what, Feilding High School, they've been solid under pressure. Can they maintain their focus here defensively? They've shown why they are one of the benchmark sides in CNI rugby. Can they keep Francis Douglas Memorial College out for a couple of more moments?
How resilient is the Rangi Wawao of Feilding? It's been about 5 or 6 attempts. Picking goes 1 metre out from the try line.
And that time, it is the try, and a deserving try as well. As the big lock forward gets up, he's had some strong carries and has contributed well to Feilding's efforts, to Francis Douglas' efforts today. But ultimately, Feilding District High School too strong. Yeah. Waiting, I think, who's into score there. Took a while to come. I don't know. That's the end of the game. And a 20-point margin, and thoroughly deserving as well for Feilding, who just controlled the pace, the tempo, and field position right throughout the game. As I say, that's why they're one of the benchmark teams in the CNI competition. Waverley, here the home of this match today, and a solid performance. Full-time is Feilding High School 39, Francis Douglas Memorial College 19, a strong Central North Island first 15 clash. Plenty of physicality and a powerful finish from both teams. Hope you enjoyed the action. 39-19, full-time scoreline.
Me ana te kōrero, me whaihua ko tetihi tīma, me whakatā tetihi atu, there's only one winner. Hoi no me mihi ka tika ki ngā kapa e rua I whai wāhi mai nei ki tēnei whakataetai ki tēnei kēmu ko Feilding tērā. Ana wai hoki ko FDMC, Manawa 2, remixed with a bit of Taranaki flavour, and we had a game that was pretty special. However, Feilding came out on top, winning comfortably by 20 points. Hey, Kati e Wama, it's been awesome bringing you coverage once again of the CNI competition, Central North Island Rugby, live on Whakata Māori, live on our YouTube channels as well. Me kaua koutou e haere tawhiti, hoki mai koutou, hei ngā rangi whakatā nei e tihi atu, kēmu I Whanganui ngā kura o tēnei whakataetai 10 schools go battle for the Secondary Schools Central North Island competition. And at the same time, we have the Super 8 Rugby Secondary Schools live here on Whakata Māori. A big mihi to all the sponsors, Apollo Projects, Caltex, Bailey's, MāORI Plus, Anchor, Kōwai atu, Kāti ake, māua ko te o husband e mihi kawana kia koutou ko tūhono mai ki tēnei whakapāhotanga I tēnei ahi. Nei rā te mihi, hoki mai, a te rā wā, kia mautonu mai, mā te wā.
The best kind of people I want to interview are the ones that have got something really significant to say.
The new season of award-winning current affairs.
It's really about having a conversation and listening.
Te ao with Moana, ki MāORI Plus, me whakaata Māori.
Funding is a real challenge. We know that a lot of schools face that ongoing, and the reality is if you go to a lower decile school in New Zealand, you are less likely to be able to afford to participate in sport.
Obviously, having come through it myself with kids and being one of those kids myself who played sport, I know how much it defined who I was. And now being able to go, I can't fix it all, but we can help and try and give to those people who are going through really tough times.
This is an opportunity that we can't pass up.
figure out what's wrong with this